back to Peterson Auto. Today we're going to show you how to torque wrench. It's a beam style torque wrench, highly recommend them. Right down here you have your foot-pounds. That's how many foot-pounds of force it's going to take to tighten your bolt. So if spec is 110 foot-pounds, in the case of these head studs, give it 110 foot-pounds. This dial is going to adjust it. We're going to put it right there at 110. Now before we get into the 2.4, the beam style, you can leave that set, okay? I can set that to 100 foot-pounds, leave it there for 100 years, and it'll still be accurate. This style, the twister handle, don't leave that set, okay? Make sure you zero it back out or get it right down close to zero. I don't recommend locking it down hard to the zero, but get it down below the lowest mark at least. Then this will keep accuracy. If you leave it set, it will not be accurate the next time you use it. So don't let it sit around. Beam styles, no one cares. Leave it set at that. You're torquing lug nuts on the same vehicle every day, day in, day out. Beam style torque wrench. Set it and forget it. So we're going to show you how to use one now. You have it set to the right foot-pounds for your application, in this case 110. So you put it on, right? And you just pull until it clicks. Once you hear that click, let go. Hands off. Pull again until you hear the click again. That's your confirmation. When you hear that click, don't pull any further. You can hold it in place like I am. Don't pull any further. And you want to ideally have that click happen somewhere in the middle of your swing, okay? So if you're going to go ahead and you're going to do little tiny ratchets here, you don't want that. You want a big swing, and you want that click to happen as you're putting even force on it. Don't jerk it. Pull nice and evenly. And that, YouTube, is how you use a torque wrench. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Peterson Auto.